guys, it's your girl Shanice and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little bit new. I'm going to be doing a cleansing. My hair needs a little TLC. It needs to be replenished. I have a lot of product buildups, a lot of dandruff. I got a whole lot going on. So today I'm going to be trying out the Aztec clay mask for the very first time. So I'm excited, but I'm not going to ramble too much. I'm just going to jump right into the video. But before we do that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Okay guys, so I'm going to be using the Bentonite Aztec clay mask. You're going to need apple cider vinegar. Make sure you get the one that has the mother in it. You're also going to need a plastic bowl and a plastic spoon. You don't want to use anything metal because it interferes with the quality of the product. I'm just going to go ahead and mix it all together. So there's no actual measurements for this clay. You just have to eyeball everything and make it the consistency that you want it to be. So if it's too thick, you would add more apple cider vinegar, and if it's too watery, you would add more clay. So you just want to eyeball everything and get it to the consistency that you want it. Okay guys, as you can see, your girl is looking kind of rough. This was not it at all. My hair was so brittled. So I went ahead and I damped it, sectioned it off into 4. Then I made those sections smaller and cut them in half. You want to make sure that your hair is damped enough. Make sure you're also finger detangling to make your life easier. Finger detangling is key for this mask because it makes the mask glide on every strand of hair. As you guys can see, the curls are popping and I am loving it. Like, I'm just so mad that I'm just now jumping on this Aztec clay mask. Like, do y'all see the curls? Y'all, do you see this? My hair has never been this defined before. Like, I know I said that before, but when I say like it's never been this defined, it's never been this defined. Like, baby, call me curly hair niece from now, okay? Period. Make sure you guys aren't forgetting the edges as well. The edges are also important. You want to make sure that you guys are getting the clay everywhere. The only thing I didn't like about this mask is how messy it was. Like, when I say this mask got everywhere, like it was on my tripod, my mat, like it's so messy, guys. That's the only downside to it. So I'm done with half of my head, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other half. Then I'm gonna take the extra clay that was left and I'm just gonna apply it to my entire hair in case I missed anything. You wanna make sure that everything's coated, because if it's not, then it's a waste of time, because you're missing some of your hair strands and everything's not being cleansed, or it's not being penetrated with the clay. As you guys can see, my entire head is covered with the clay and I am not missing any sections, so I'm very pleased with how it's coming out. The curls are very defined and I am loving it. This is how my hair looks after I am done, and I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna wait for it to dry. So after 35 minutes, my hair is dried. I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm so silly. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna rinse it. Another thing, make sure that the water is semi-hot, because if it's just cold, it's gonna be harder for the clay to get out of your hair. And sis, you don't wanna be in the shower for 2 hours trying to rinse the clay out of your hair. So make sure there's some type of heat when you're washing it out. So here I'm just going to go in with my As I Am coconut co-wash. I didn't see the need to shampoo my hair because the mask did a very good job of cleansing my scalp. So I'm just going to go in with my As I Am coconut co-wash. And you guys can see that I am still finger detangling because I want to make sure that my hair is still smooth and it's detangled. And I'm just trying to limit the process of me having to use a comb to detangle my hair. Now I'm just gonna go in with my Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Deep Conditioner. Guys, when I say I love this deep conditioner, I freaking love it. It's by far one of the best deep conditioners I've used, and I just can't see myself doing a wash day without it. Now that the deep conditioner is everywhere, I'm just gonna go ahead and cover it up so that it can work its magic. Okay guys, so I'm done deep conditioning my hair, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse it out. But before I do that, I just wanted to show you guys how the curls are looking. Make sure that you guys are taking your time to rinse your hair and getting all that product that likes to hide off your scalp. Okay guys, so this is what my hair is looking like after I am done. My scalp feels amazing. The curls are popping, okay? My hair feels so soft. I'll definitely be doing this at least twice a month just to give my hair a nice little reboot. Before you guys go, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you guys next time. Enough of them stairs up. Enough of them stairs up.